Welcome to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Jaja Star. Retake, we'll start over. Alright, serious thing now, guys. No reports are that alleged gang leader Termite has been shot and killed in the Spanish Town area. So I'm gonna show you guys a clippings from the Observer, and of course I'll just provide reporting from there, and we can take it from there. So the clipping says, as you can see on your screen, reputed gang leader Termite shot dead in Spanish Town. Sheldon Walters, otherwise known as Termite, right? Now, further in the story, it says St. Catherine, Jamaica, a suspected gang leader who reportedly led the top bank faction of the remnants of the Wandan faction of the Klansman gang, was shot and killed by members of St. Catherine North Police Division on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as Sheldon Walters, otherwise known as Termite. Walters was reportedly shot dead in the Top Banks community of Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Moving on further in the story, it says the circumstances surrounding the killing are still unclear. However, photos are circulating online of the deceased body of the notorious gang leader. Termite was considered to be the de facto leader of the Wandan gang after the incarceration of the leader Andre Blackman last year. Bryant was sentenced to 39.5 years in prison for various crimes related to criminal organization. Now, who is not familiar with the story, can do more research online and find out who Termite is. One popular source to get more information is the famous Politics Watch channel, led by one Sir P. If you're not familiar with Sir P, which I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video you might be familiar with Sir P, but you can do some more catch up there and see exactly what these persons are, who these persons are, and stuff like that. Now, after the reporting, I'm just gonna give my commentary as to exactly what I think about the situation and just my 2 cents. So first, people, badness, it don't pay. It don't pay. As you can see now, one gang leader sentenced to 39.5 years behind bars, the next one dead. And of course, you know the Klansman operations go way far than that. From Bulby, Tesha Miller, of course you don't know the Tesha Miller thing soon start and all of that. So, in a nutshell, the point of I try to bring across, yeah, the badness, bring for the girls, bring for money, bring forth respect, bring forth a whole heap of things. So don't get me wrong by thinking say the fast life now gonna be there and you now gonna have the money. No. But in the long run, it really don't work out because it normally lead to either you will lose your life or you're behind bars. And enough times when you lose your life, either the same police them where you there I work with corrupt underground decides alright, because before we even get to that point there, you know it's enough times when you see police kill gang leaders like this, it's more than just what it seems, because some of the time police know them there all along, police know how to get to them all along, police are watching them and do them dirty deeds all along. It's just that guess what now, them never ready for move to them. But now that them either step out of the line and do something what them never did supposed to do, or either hurt a family member or what I said police, or hurt a police or something like that, them step out of line now, then you know, so of course them will get step to them. Because 90% of the time, this is Jamaica, we know Jamaica run. The high officials them, the government, the MPs and stuff like that, them already know the leaders and they know how to get to them, them communicate with them daily, them even use them to do them dirty work and all of that. But guess what? Them don't ready for them yet. When them ready for them is when them either step out of line and either do something to their family, them will carry out the order them to do, or them tell them to stand down on something, and them never stand down. So you will go on now, we get rid of them. So in a nutshell, things like this only really happen when time things like this really only happen when them step out of line. And that's the sad truth about it. But regardless, back to the point when they are trying to make in the first half, right? This badness thing. It really don't pay. Because you have to get the glamour, 9 out of 10 times you get the glamour in at the beginning. But guess what? You see, after you get the glamour, you can't retire from this. Because you always have to constantly look over your shoulders. You have to look over your shoulders from the same friends them. You have to look over your shoulders from the police. And you have to look over your shoulders from your enemies. Because in this you create a lot of enemies. So you always have to look over your shoulders. It's never a peaceful sleep. You can go to your bed. You sleep, you lock up your door them. You sleep, say yo, anybody I come at you. I don't know nobody will do nothing. So probably somebody I come do. I probably come try and rob you or something like that. But in the badness world, in a state like that, you can't sleep peacefully because you do a whole heap of wrong out there. You have to constantly have security and watch your back and all of them come there. So it don't pay. And if we are going to count up and rack up how much of them gang leaders are really die from natural causes, the percentage really slim. Because man, I said there is none, Not saying there is none because man, I've got to check the statistics. And prior to recording this video, I did not check the statistics. So I'm not gonna say there is no gang leader that die from natural causes. Sorry. Because again, I would have to check the statistics. So after checking the statistics, we can get back at that. But for now, what we know, the percentage rather, of persons will either die by the gun, and most of the times, either from the police, them same friends, or them are the enemy, is great. It's way high, and right beside that, the incarceration rate beside it, how much of them get locked up? The percentage high. So is this what you really, really, really and truly want for yourself? Dark truth. This is what you really want. This is just really a message to the youth and just an example for the youth them. And the whole person that go say a good youth in the community, rest in peace and all of that. It's a life loss. So this is not me I say no man for dead or so I never stay. I not come in the video with none of that because guess what? It's a life loss just the same. All the thing what I just say is youths, the badness really don't pay. Because you don't really get nowhere. That's it. I not say a man for dead, I not say none of that because guess what? It's a life loss and life wasted as well. Of course, this not gonna stop it because the glamorous life for them they live before and they used to they go see it and the youths go want this so therefore them all come up and do the same thing. But the moral of the story is just if you can't stay up on the straight and the narrow, just stay. God no. It don't work out. Trust me, it doesn't. But that's all in a nutshell though my people. Can give me your commentary in the comment section and tell me what you think about it. In terms of this video, we put as soon as more things come out as to exactly how it happened, what happened, we probably will do a follow-up video. That's if you guys want a follow-up video. You can put in the comment section if you want a follow-up video. If when everything seems more clear and everything, more light shed on the whole scenario, you can do a follow-up video. But for now, some people just put something in the comment section. Tell me what you think about it and tell me your thoughts and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.